kain ng sarap. Nahanap lang ng spot, damahin mo lang ang sunset. Sige, liputin. My God, so great. You mend every tear my heart sustains.
When the oceans rise and turn this road, I will soar with you up.
Pagkakaisang layunin ng lahat, imbis na gulo ay hatakan pa angat. At sa iisang awitin, sama-sama kami na mag-iibig.
Oh, light of the world, you came to stay. With every miracle, our hearts you.
Somebody praise the Lord with me, sing out joyfully now. This is the season.
Pero ng Bataan, 25 na 30 na yan. Yung Pampanga, magiging 20 o 30 o 40 na. Diba? Yung Tarlac, yung Olongapo, yung Zambales. Paano pag meron tayong grand even yung coordination namin usap yung work namin ni Carmelo. Ikaw muna magtira, ako mag-speaker. Ikaw mag-speaker, ako muna mag-play. May teamwork, diba? O nga pala, i-ready nyo na po yung mga schedule, budget at motor. Para makapagsabay-sabay tayo lumarga. Ilocos at Ilocos na.
Cruising down the street, saw her on the right. Pink leather gear, gleaming in the night. Tats on her arms, riding that Harley. Damn, she's a queen, looking so gnarly. Hair in the wind.
Wala nga, pinagkahoy. Pwede ko ng laya. Pinabagsa, ubalikit to. Hindi ko magkawaw. Ano to?
What if we live with a heart of kindness? What if we love like we've been loved? If that's all